We're gonna give that thing a try again, the air fryer. We're gonna do some chicken Parmesan sandwiches. I have leftover marinara sauce that I had made for a previous video. If you didn't see that video, go up here. Check out the marinara sauce. You can make your own. You can use canned, jarred, whatever you want to call it, or you can make some really good stuff. But we're gonna make chicken Parmesan. We're gonna try the air fryer again, see if that fails us again or not. Sure hope not. We're gonna make chicken Parmesan sandwiches. You can stop before it becomes a sandwich and serve it as chicken Parmesan. It's gonna be good either way. And I'm gonna try a new format. So let me know what you think about the format altogether. Let's go make some chicken Parmesan. While we're waiting for our air fryer to get up to temperature, we're going to get our batter station ready with our flour, our 3 beaten eggs, and our breadcrumbs. Or Panko, if you want to use Panko, you can do that. We're going to sprinkle some shredded Parmesan into our breadcrumbs and mix it up real good. And then we're going to take our chicken and throw it in the flour, toss it around, cover it real good. And then onto our eggs, get it covered real good in eggs. Then we'll toss it in our breadcrumbs. And the breadcrumbs, get it coated real well. Tell the chicken you love it. Pat it. Tell it it's a good chicken and it's gonna make a good dinner. They like to hear you talk sweet to them, so be sure you do. And then set that aside. All of our chicken will be stored in the refrigerator until it's ready to go into our air fryer, where we'll put it in at 350 degrees for 16 minutes. When it's all done, that chicken, like I said, is going to go and hang out in the refrigerator until it's time for it to be cooked. And the chicken from the air fryer is going to go into a casserole dish and held in a 200-degree oven so it stays nice and warm until we got all of the chicken cooked. Then we'll take the chicken that's been hanging out in the refrigerator waiting for its time to cook and throw another piece in the air fryer for 16 minutes, 350 degrees, flipping halfway through. When everybody's done, we'll get our marinara sauce and we'll spoon it over the top as thick as you want it or as little as you want. It's your choice. Spread it around real good. And then we'll put some provolone cheese on top. In the meantime, we got our oven now heating up to 350 degrees where we will cook the chicken with the Parmesan cheese for 10 minutes and then 1 minute on broil at the end. With it on broil, it will be ready for our bread that we've buttered and sprinkled more Parmesan on the top. It's gonna be great. Chicken Parmesan, toasted Parmesan sandwich roll. The air fryer didn't let me down this time. It's good for doing your fried chicken, your breaded chicken, not for mozzarella sticks. Try to separate these guys somehow if you can, and we'll get it on our sandwich roll. Oh, ow. Without taking everybody else's cheese. There we go. Chicken Parmesan sandwich. That's good. I hope you try it. Be sure to subscribe. Eat this, grinds and cocktails. share it, like it, love it, be good people. Have a good night.